what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. In today's video, I am going to do a review of this eye contacts that I got from DTLEYE contact review. I like wearing eye contacts and I've always wear color CL. This is gonna be my first time trying on the DTLEYE eye contacts, so I'm actually pretty excited. They sent me 4 eye contacts to review for them. I already opened one, so that's the one that's already in my eyes, and I have 3 other ones. The first eye contacts that I have on is the Mia Gray, so it will also come with eye contact case. Also, I got a blue one. Each packet will have one of the eye contact case, so I'm gonna have to film with my phone because I feel like it's not really showing it because the light is really in my face. So yeah, the light is too much in my face, so I'm gonna have to do some videos with my phone instead. Okay guys, so this is the Mia Gray and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I really like this eye contact. It's so cute and it looks so natural also, so that's why I really love this pair. The next eye contact that I have on is the Polar Light Gray, and this is the case that it comes with, and this is the Polar Light Gray. I actually like it because it looks natural and it's so pretty because it's like a light blue and makes me look at blue eyes, okay? But yeah, it's pretty because it looks nice. This next eye contact that I have on is the Color Light Brown, and that's the package that it comes in, and this is the case. It's pink. It's my favorite color. You can't actually see the color because of how dark it is. I mean, it's not that dark. Let me see if I close the if you guys can see it. Nah, even when I close my lights, it doesn't do anything because is the Argan Brown, and the case is pink also. It's like they know I love pink. This is probably my second favorite because it gives me like a dewy eye. This contact it's more bigger than the rest of them. The other ones the contacts were much smaller. This one is bigger. Maybe that's why it gives me the dewy eye. Yeah, the circle is more bigger than the rest of them, and I actually like it because it's so freaking pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This one is definitely my favorite. Then it's the Polar Light Gray because this one is so freaking cute. I don't want to take it off. Actually, see, yeah, of course.
Why you so crippled?
Hi,
how you doing?
Good.
Hey, buy your dumplings.
It's right here.
You're trash. Bruh. That shit ugly. Bruh. No, I'm kidding.
It reminds me of circle lenses because of how big the contact is. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite because, you know.
Hi.
It guys of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and if you guys did like the video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button, and also write down below of which eye contacts that you like better on me. And I will also put the eye contact information in my description box so you guys can just click it. Thank you guys so much. Bye, see you guys next time.